Howdy, I'm back. Been a while since I spoke to you late, oh shit. Got something in my eye, oh my god. Yeah, been a while since I have done any kind of garage work. So I am back and, well, the reason that I haven't done anything is because I ran out of welding gas. And the company that I was getting it from, AirPD, Air Products Direct, they were charging me fucking extortionate money, sorry for the F words. Yeah, extortionate money, like just 70 quid to refill an 8 liter bottle. But now I went to BOC and I got this beast. That's a 20 liter bottle and it's probably 30 quid cheaper than I used to pay. So now on the other hand, I got my trusty welder on. It's a bit of beer and stuff. And I'm just finishing off this. Need to remember how it's done, but cut a hole there because it needs to be patched up. And apart from this, it's actually it's gonna be done soon. Yeah, so I need to finish this off and just patch it up and put another piece over it, and that's it. And then we're gonna try to do some seam welds. I need to clean it up a bit better. That's my trial, looks like shit, but I'll make it work. But yeah, I'm all back running and kicking arse. Just done a transmission fluid flush on this beast and it actually feels 100% better. So now another thing is that I sold the one of the red blocks to my mate Roger. Raj, good old man. And also I still got for sale, I need to sell this block, which is a D5244T cylinder block. And I got a clutch, I got pistons, I got everything. So if anyone needs it, I'm not selling this though, that's going to the 242. That's a mess, but yeah, I got a clutch, 6-speed gearbox clutch and so on. But now, as we stand, that's how it looks. It's coming together. I mean, I'm quite proud of myself to be able to do this, and it actually all the stuff lines up with So yeah, we are kicking again, and it's gonna be good. So yeah, be well. Don't do anything stupid. Just see you later.